It's a 2.5 liter engine. I'll show you on how to reset the engine oil life. See the instrument cluster, there's a message, maintenance oil and filter. So we've done the service. We changed the engine oil and filter and a check over, and then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna have to reset that then pop up. So what we're gonna do, go to, there is, anyway, this is a right hand drive car, so there's an option here, up down, side left, side options here. This is where we're gonna do our setup. So what you're gonna do, go to look for the settings. And then there is settings, and click OK, and then go to the maintenance, click OK, and then go to service, and then reset, click that, and then yes, that's it, and push the back button.